I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove backgrounds from your images using Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design or open an existing one. Then, upload the image you want to edit directly into your project. Once uploaded, simply click on the image within your design canvas to select it. This action will bring up a set of editing options at the top or side of your screen, preparing you for the next step. Now that your image is selected, look for the Effects tab in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Within the Effects panel, you will find the powerful Background Remover tool. Simply click on it, and Canva's artificial intelligence will instantly begin analyzing your image. In just a few seconds, it will automatically detect and remove the background, leaving your main subject perfectly isolated and ready for further adjustments. After the automatic removal, you might want to fine-tune the edges. Canva provides two helpful brushes for this: Erase and Restore. Use the Erase brush to meticulously remove any remaining background elements or stray pixels. You can easily adjust the brush size for greater precision. Conversely, if you accidentally remove too much, the Restore brush allows you to bring back parts of your original image, ensuring a perfect cutout. Once you are completely satisfied with your background removal, click the Done button to finalize your edits. Now, your image is ready to be downloaded. For the best results and to preserve the transparency, always choose the PNG file format when downloading. This ensures your image retains its clear, transparent background, making it perfect for layering onto other designs or using across various platforms. Congratulations! You have successfully removed a background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.